guys, today I'm gonna do some like daring stuff. So he's just gonna go over there and ask the neighbor something. And guys, I will be doing vlogs, but I just do vlogs like Saturday, Sunday, or something like that. If you have any questions, say it in the description below, whatever. Wait, crap. Get on his mower. Get on his mower. Said I'll give him $20, but I'm not. Yeah, get on it. Wait, Cole. Cole. Oh my God, get out. Come here. I know I'm coming here. Go in that thing. Go in it. Well, okay, hurry up, get on it. No, get on there, get on there. You're not thinking of it. Yeah, get on it. You have to do it for 10 seconds. Get on it. You have to get on it when these people. Hurry up. Hurry up. Get on it. You had to stay on it too. Oh my God. No, go touch that boat over there.
What boat?
Earth. Sorry guys, I'm throwing my camera and it's dark outside too. Hurry up, go get inside this. Get inside that. Okay? Hurry up. Hurry up.
No, Carter.
No, oh my God. If he is. 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Get behind the car. Get behind the car.
That was not loud enough. It was not loud enough.
Sorry guys about my camera. Remember, I will be doing vlogs.